Hi, my name is Sachin Narayan. My TA is Hal. Today we're going to be doing the filtration of a solution of water and activated carbon right there.
Okay, so
we're going to begin by assembling the funnel and the vacuum filtration system. We have a couple parts here. First off, what we're going to, this is the flask, and with the output we're going to be attaching the pipe to. We're going to start by assembling the filter portion of it. We're going to put the plug over here. And we're going to take two filter papers right here. Two filter papers, we're going to place it inside right there and let it sit. From here, we're going to insert the funnel into the flask such that this side, which is open and slanted, is going to be facing the side of the suction. So we're going to insert it like that. There we go. From here, what we're going to do is we're going to clamp this to the stand. And we're going to clamp it and have the filtration system sit right here.
So first, you get a solution.
Right there. So it's nice and clamped. We use the clamp to make sure that when the vacuum is pulled on, the pipe is not pulled. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to attach the pipe in the flask. We're going to make sure it's nice and tight so there's no air escaping. We're going to take the other end of the pipe, and we're going to attach it to the middle pipe, which is labeled vacuum. Now this ensures that there's a vacuum suction from here through the pipe to the flask, and the only way out is up. There we go. So what we're going to do from now is, in order to make sure that the filtration paper sticks to the flask, we're going to take some DI water and we're going to wet the top of the paper such that it sticks down. Just get it fully wet and have it sit down. Perfect. So what that does is make sure the filtration paper sticks to the funnel and makes it easier. So this is the full apparatus we're going to be using. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start by turning on the vacuum so I can suck out some of the water that's already there. You're going to see the filtration is going to really suck the water that's consistently there already to the bottom of the flask. So I'm going to turn the filter vacuum on. And as you can see, it sucks the stopper and all the water down. The filtration paper is drying up top, and we're gonna keep this on. And in order to make sure that none of the activated carbon goes around the edges, we're gonna pour the solution really slowly. So if you want to get it from this angle, we're gonna make sure it's mixed, it's all well distributed, and we're gonna pour it slowly. And watch as the water goes through the filter paper based on the vacuum, and all the filtrate comes out clear at the bottom, while the activated carbon, which is our precipitate, is going to sit at the top of the filter paper. Again, we're pouring it slowly to make sure that we have all the activated carbon sit on the filter paper. As you can see, the filter paper is drying. That's due to the suction from the vacuum. And that shows the filter, and there's very little of the solution left, but we have quite a bit. There we go. So that shows the full process of the vacuum filtration. I'm going to finish the filtration is finished. As you can see, the precipitate has dried. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the vacuum off right there. I'm going to break the vacuum. And in order to break the vacuum, I'm going to take the plug out. I'll take the pipe out. And when that breaks the vacuum, now the filter is no longer pressurized. And we're going to unclamp this. Unclamp this flask. Now this is organized into two parts, the original solution. There's a precipitate which sits on the top, and as we can see, that is right here. It's all the black, and since it's filtered, what we can also see is that the solution is clear. And we put it against a white background to make sure we can see that clarity, and perfect. All right, that's vacuum filtration. Thank you.